Cool, so I'm gonna just get straight the fuck to it. E85 in a stock KA, stock MAF, stock ECU, whatever. We're changing the injectors out to SR20. These are stock, so we're gonna do that later. First thing, find the return hose, upper hose. There's like a clamp or a bolt. Just kind of loosen that up, and you run this hose into a jerry can when the engine is running until it runs out of gas. I have like less than 2 gallons, so you're gonna have to kind of rinse and repeat. So fuck it, let's get to it. Okay, cool. If you're gonna do this by yourself, this is probably the setup you want to go for. Vice grip holds the hose in somewhat secure, kind of snug it in between this. So yeah, now you go in there and just fucking let it run out of gas. And be careful, because once it when it fills up, you don't want it just falling all over the place. So yeah. Alright, I'm gonna take off from here. The last step is get your injectors on. Now this is a whole thing. I did it super like crappy and I broke a bunch of clips, so you know, you gotta refer to YouTube videos. I'm a bad influence. I wouldn't tell you the way I put it on because it's super janky. Like, you know, this doesn't even clip on all the way, but yeah. 370cc. I would suggest to get like a good fuel pump, like a Walbro or something. I don't think the stock one would keep up. But yeah, it's been on E85 already for shit, it's been like a month and a half. I've been driving it like that with E85, but it did mess up my idle control valve, so I don't really drive the car that much. But I'm gonna do a first startup. I haven't started it in like 2 weeks, so we're gonna see how it works. Oh, let's see if it turns on. I haven't driven the car because I broke the okay. Starts up like normal usually. So I might do a driving video later on. It drives the same. You can just add more ignition timing. Like if you're at 20 through 25, you can add like 26 or 27 on the base timing on the distributor. I haven't done that. I haven't even timed it yet, so I don't know where my timing is, but yeah. Also, the gas mileage takes a big shit. Really big shit. You lose like 25% of what you're getting regular. So is it worth it? I mean, I've gone through 2 tanks so far. You know, if you have an E85 station like down the street like I do, then it's whatever, you know. I think 91 you definitely get more gas mileage, but unless your shit's like high compression or something, I think it'll be worth it. But if you're just like super stock like I am, just bolt-ons, it's not really that worth it, to be honest. It's fun to do, cool little experiment. But yeah, I'll probably make a video on how it drives, put a GoPro somewhere, and just go for a ride. And also you get some pretty big flames. Other than that,